Hi everyone, I'm John Hoey. I'm the SEO Manager here at the Marketing People. Very quickly today, over the next 90 seconds or so, we're going to have a quick run through of one of the plugins that we use here. It's from a great team in Holland called Yoast.com. They offer the Yoast SEO plugin for WordPress. What it can do is it can help you with your internal linking. It can help you with your keywords. So if you're targeting certain keywords on the page, it can also help you with redirections. So if you delete a page, it can help you reconnect to that page and redirect clients to or visitors to another page on your website. It gives some great insights into your keyword research and also your content as well. There's loads and loads of more technical information if you decide to upgrade to the premium version. I'm not going to go into that too much today, but the premium version, that's why you should ideally speak to an SEO expert, and what they can do is they can help you with all the technical aspects of your website in order to get you ranking further up Google. Now, we offer these kind of services on a local and a national basis. If this is something that you're interested in, please leave a comment below or give us a call on 01543 495 752 or drop us an email as well. We're delighted to help you out as much as we can. We'll see you soon. Bye.